What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The truck, I got the truck back. It's not completely done, but the headlights are done, and I did get it back. There they go. As you can see, the inside of it is painted gloss black. We ended up doing the projectors on there. It does have demonized, so they do switch colors. Also, the bottom one is painted gloss black also. It does give it a new look. I like it. I've had some people say it looked better with the other ones, but I'm not worried about them. It's my truck, so I like it. Looks good. But also, we're still waiting on the door handles, third brake light, tail lights. He's still working on them. He had issues with those, but I also joined the truck crew. So now I am in just trucking. I got tired. I'm not about to sit there and wait for some goddamn tubs just to join the crew. So they said I could join them. I'll watch them for a little bit. I've checked out some of the trucks from Houston. I got homeboys in a DFW chapter. So like, man, seems like it's a good crew. Seems like it's a good crew, a good up and coming crew, and hell, why not be a part of it as it's on the uprise? And there goes my boy Chi-Chi to fucking do the detail now. But yeah, we're in just trucking now. No, I did join Team Billy, but it is what it is. Need to get all this shit off my truck though. Oh, you ready? Came prepared. Boy, mobile now. He's still only doing weekends, but he's mobile. What you doing, man? Look at that rear sighting. The headlights are on and the truck's washed. Damn. That's very rare. Now let's go cruise. I know he's a bitch. I knew you were a bitch. You ain't supposed to. You're supposed to stop. Cigarettes is bad for you guys.
He is flame on.
I know. And I said it, flame on.
And whenever he goes in the restroom and his head hurting, I'm gonna be laughing. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel.
Don't smoke cigarettes. Don't smoke cigarettes.
Ling ling right there. You guys say in Chinese, bro?
I hope you know what you're saying there, because I don't need them commenting on there getting mad at me, fucker.
Hey, I was just playing.
You probably said you suck dick or something.
Right? Like he sucked black dick or some shit like that.
Whoa!
I love Asian chicks. I need to
Chill. You love Asian chicks?
That Asian shit too.
He loves that Asian shit or chicks?
I gotta go to the taco truck. I'm leaving. Oh, he's going to the bank bus.
Oh, damn. Okay.
Haters. See? Hey, he didn't deny it.
He's going to the bank bus. We know he is.
What's your channel, Nick? Don't you got a channel?
LS1 is the boy.
Don't be doing gang signs, bitch. We don't do that shit over here.
Oh, damn.
He can't count.
I see that.
He's trying to think of how to put one up.
But ain't this a V6?
For now.
The boy just got a sticker.
First sticker on the truck.
First sticker, and we're gonna get you the other one once I actually get it.
Woo.
Put that shit down, man. That's what that mean. Throw that shit away.
Newport.
Hey, see, this is what we do to cigarettes, guys. You throw that shit on the ground, and then you step on the shit. See, there you go. Now he can't even go back and get it. Damn, yeah. It look like we sell drugs over here. Fuck. That car don't even move. Then you got the Tahoe in the back. Say it again.
We have to put a fucking poster or some shit. We do not sell drugs.
Yeah, say it louder. Say it to these people right here. Hey, tell these people. Tell them we don't sell drugs. Right? Why do you?
We do not. That nigga, that's not.
He look like he sell drugs. He look like he own them.
Don't exclude us like that.
He own them.
Don't exclude us like that.
He look like he own them motherfuckers. Hey,
I walk away like if I do this.
turn that shit off. One, I don't need copyright. No, we don't sell drugs, right?
We don't sell drugs.
Yeah, you do.
God, why you smoking on the big guy? It's a cigarette.
It's a cigarette. Oh. Easy? Goddamn.
You want the cigarette?
Yeah.
Camera
I said, yeah.
So what the fuck you do this time?
Huh?
What the fuck you do this time?
Whoa, I don't know. This fucking truck's possessed. I'm telling y'all. Well, we're gonna have to upgrade some shit.
Man, this nigga just did the rear and now something else done went out. God damn it. And hey, I think all this shit happening after the sticker. Nah, all this shit happened after Breezy. I'm blaming it on Breezy. I don't give a fuck. I'm blaming Breezy. I'm blaming Breezy. Retuned?
Yeah.
See, I know everybody that know Breezy, they know this sticker right here. Yes, this truck need a retune. That one does too. We're gonna get it retuned. Hey, but that sticker right there, badass. Shout out to Chicken Express for that sick ass tea. Hell yeah. Gotta support my primo over here.
Support and primo.
Hell yeah, we're gonna spend some money today. Ooh, damn. Look at him. Deep.
Look at that. Ice cream.
Look at that. Now I'm about to go be a fat ass, guys. Hit that shit. Fuck it. It don't matter. What he said.
Hey, I didn't buy new ones because your dude pissed me off that time.
You got enough for one burnout?
I doubt it.
Hey, you got 3/4 of an inch tread.
Is it good?
You don't have tire. He's gonna do it. We're bad influence.
Right? Let's swap now.
I fucking hate y'all. You got enough tire.
You love us.
He don't have enough tire.
But we ain't gonna tell him that.
You got a redeem?
No tire my ass. He done fucking.
He took about a half inch off his fucking.
Now you don't have tire.
For real. I don't expect that nigga to do it that long. Shit. And that tire wasn't even spinning. He didn't even have no rubber to burn off this tire.
They're already bald.
Look at that.
Smoking, fam. We do not do drugs.
We burn.
How many
We smoke tires, not drugs, guys.
I don't know where all this is.
All right. Good morning, guys. That tent not dark enough. I gotta get this 310 in. Your age.
Free man. Day one of a free man. First day out, how you feel? Shit, first day out, my shit's dry. Ooh, killing it. Got the fresh fade, blessed by Memo the barber. Got High Life over here looking at
I
some.
ain't got no fresh fade.
Hey, not yet. You got the appointment tomorrow.
You right.
Who trying to eat though? Yeah, fuck with that shit. You a free man, you mind your business.
I might just cut out the free man part, but the rest of the shit staying in.
Hey, for real, right?
Chill out, boy. We're in an establishment.
Hold on, let me zoom in on that fade real quick. How them cheese sticks?
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
It's not the same wrench.
It's not.
Never mind. You taste it afterwards, nigga.
Hey, it all comes out of a jug. It's alright.
No, nigga, this ain't the same. This is something else.
It's watery?
It's too thick. Like, it's like that. Like if they bought that shit from Walmart or something.
Like half the girls in here.
I didn't even hear that.
Yeah, I couldn't understand what he said, but
Nobody can.
it's alright.
So this little bitch, dog, he gonna get 3 mile. And he didn't even want fries. Hold on, nigga. You didn't want fries. You didn't want fries at first. 3 mile, no wrench. Do 1, no wrench. You can use wrench.
You big man, motherfucker. Come on.
I'll do 2.
2? Okay. You feeling bold right now.
Give me that. Oh, no. Hey, you can drink that drink. Because Coke is worse.
It is. It's gonna make it worse. Come on. Don't take that long to eat no damn chicken, nigga.
That's a big ass chicken.
I'm gonna eat my own food though. We're gonna check back in when this nigga get to sweating and asking for milk. Cause now he dipping in the wrench already.
Hey, you said how?
Nope.
Quiet mode.
Battery.
It's always there.
Yeah, nigga, it's the recording. Stupid shit. What you recording him for?
Cause he was doing the
Look at that shit. That shit badass.
You already know the whole gang here.
Yeah.
Free man. Free man, you know, free us. Kendrick been free.
I've been free. I don't need all that drama, nigga.
We don't need none of that drama, nigga.
Why you looking at me?
Oh shit. Is he on a skateboard? Is he drunk?
He look drunk.
He said, I don't
Are you drunk?
Just a little drunk. Something wrong with that fool. That nigga literally just jumped over that bitch and fell, nigga. Fuck that shit.
Hell no, out here acting a
He
fool.
pulled the girl right there, just that quick. Just like fall.
Damn, I need to fall. Maybe fall into the girl in my dream's arms and shit.
This nigga. Guys, we're going the wrong fucking way. Here we are, bitch.
Ooh, what's that? That's some history.
Where's this thing? But where's this thing about to go? You go say, we're not waiting with you.
I know, I'm finna go to the races.
I ain't worried about these goddamn races. Ain't shit out these races no more. Ain't a bitch ass thing at these races.
Hey, ain't a bitch ass thing.
All the videos.
It's a stock ass truck.
Not even trucks, nigga. Stock ass cars.
Bunch of V6
Stock ass
Mustangs.
cars.
Stock ass
Not
cars.
even Mustangs, nigga. Little tuner cars.
Oh God, right.
I'll be drinking and driving, please.
I'm not, ma.
Hell no, you ain't
I
drinking
don't
driving.
have bill money right now.
Shit, we don't need it.
All right, ma.
Hey, but if anything, God forbid, everything happens, you better call me, boy.
I will.
I'll figure it out.
All right, ma. Talk to you later.
I love you. Be
Love
safe.
you too, bye.
They out here protesting. Protesters. Damn, you thick.
HIGHLYFE.